So we're now on step 24, and that's create a copy of the record base path to use as a baseline for the text. So we're going to take this oval record base and turn it into a type path, which allows us to contour the edge of the record. So 12 inches, you notice, is on a little bit of a curve, and Dance Records is on quite a bit of a curve. So let's click the Create New Layer button in the Layers panel, and double-click the name of the new layer. Not to the right of the layer name, but the name itself. And let's enter type paths in the name field and press return. And now select the selection tool. Mine's already selected. And command click the visibility or eye icon next to the record base layer to put it into outline view. So record base, here's the eye. Hold down command, click. You can always tell whether something's in outline or preview mode because it's hollow if it's outline and an eye if it's preview. Now unlock the record base layer by clicking its lockbox in the Layers panel. So click the lock, that unlocks it. Select the record base path forming the top of the record, not the thickness path underneath it. So the top of the record, which is here. Select Edit Copy in the menu bar, and then Edit Paste in Front. We've done this before, and this is an exact copy of the record base path sitting on top. We don't want to use the original record base path for the type because that would transform that record base into a type path, which by default has no fill or stroke. So we want to keep the fill and stroke as it is. So now let's drag the colored selection indicator from the record base layer to the type paths layer. So here's the selection indicator over here to the right, and we're going to drag it into the type paths layer. And now we put that into the type paths layer. Now you'll notice that that layer is in preview mode and unlocked. Well, now we're seeing it in its true color, which is black fill, because we put that path into a layer that is in preview mode. So we're now seeing that black fill. And of course, as I showed you before, this is a way to move objects between layers. You use this indicator, this selection dot. Now command click the visibility eye icon next to the type paths layer to put it into outline mode. So command click that. The fill isn't gone, it's just temporarily disappeared. Okay, and we're done with this step. So file save, and that's it.